So I have been waiting months for this, and I'm super excited. I finally have gotten my GT350R rear spoiler for my 17 Mustang. This was just delivered. I'm totally pumped. So I'm doing this as kind of an unboxing video. I'm gonna do the best I can with the footage because I don't have anything to mount with, and I'm just using my hands. So I may have to do this in separate parts, but here we go. Loving the size of the package that the spoiler came in. It tells me that they probably put a lot of thought into the probably styrofoam or what have you to keep the spoiler safe. So I'm sorry I don't have like a mount to put my phone on. We're just going to do what we got to do. Alright, so let's put this thing down. Sorry for the little edit there, or the skip. I think I accidentally hit the stop record button by accident. That's okay. We haven't changed much. Just got to ink on the big, well, it looks like the big copper staples. I want to make sure I open this from the right angle. I think maybe I need to lift from this side instead. Let's see, that's showing, oop, that's coming down. Okay, so that slides in. Okay, got it. Alright, so let's pull out more. Yep. Let's see, I'll put this down. Should work. There we go. Oh, well, that didn't come off the way I wanted it to. Wow. Okay. Alright, let's see here. Okay, the packaging, very interesting getting this from the side. And most of these things, they usually just open up from the top. So, of note, that I have not seen from anybody else, these right here, very important. These are what's referred to as dog bone brackets. If none of y'all have this and you're using a non-SpeedKore GT350R maybe style spoiler, or you got one that's the larger version that's more is a replica from CAD Designs that I got, you're putting pressure on your trunk that is going to possibly cause it to warp or be damaged. Ford designed these with the original GT350R and to disperse pressure underneath the trunk. So if you spent like maybe $3 at another company for their spoiler and you didn't even get these, you might want to ask them why. So anyway, I'm just pointing that out. It's very important that you have this part for your spoiler, and this is what gets mounted underneath the trunk when it's being installed. Anyhow, all right, what else we got here? let's get this thing out. It's like, yeah. I want to say this almost feels like taking Luke Skywalker out of that beast in Star Wars, but anyway, weird reference, I'm a geek. Okay, so yeah, good packaging. Holy moly. Okay, I'm super excited right now. Let's get the packaging in. There we go, let's see. course it weighs next to nothing. I think total weight is probably 6 pounds. Let me see, I need my knife again. Okay. Sorry for the edit again. My finger keeps hitting the volume button on the phone, which causes it to stop recording. But as you can see, I really haven't changed anything. This part's still taped. Let's go ahead and get this one undone. Okay, come on. Let's see, I gotta hold this funky. There we go. Okay. Hopefully that's. I'll see if I need more tape, but. Oh man, they even wrapped it. Look at that. A little bit more tape, but they even what well, looks like they wrapped it with a microfiber blanket, which is awesome. That's great. That's really great that they did that. Okay, let's leave the knife out because I may or may not need it again. That's pretty cool. I never expected they would wrap the entire spoiler in this really nice microfiber-ish. It might not. I mean, it looks like it has a texture of a microfiber. It's certainly a very soft cloth. This is, of course, to protect the finish of the spoiler itself, or wing, whichever is the proper term. Alright, let's see here. Let's get these pieces of tape done here. Okay, so that should be real easy. Yeah. This proves difficult with one hand. Let me see if I can set this up here for right now for a second. I apologize if y'all can't see much. I don't know if the angle's working. I just need to get this with 2 hands. There we go. Oh, hey. Notice there's a couple stickers that came in the box. I know everybody wants me to get this open, but of course they provided a couple of their SpeedKore Performance Group stickers, which is nice, very nice. I have to figure out where to put those. So for now, I'll put that right back over there. And let's get this other side undone. No comments on my shirt and my shorts. I just woke up when the UPS guy got here. Long Labor Day, if you know what I mean. All right, here we go. Oh boy. Oh man. Wow. Can immediately tell the quality. Oh my goodness. Of the carbon fiber. Look at this. Look at this. Holy smokes. That's just the underside. Things of note. I mean, look at the intricate angles that are even on the part you'll never see. But the carbon fiber weave, let's see if I can get some more light in there. There we go. Oh, come on. The carbon fiber weave is flawless. Absolutely flawless. Even into that little corner. I don't know if it's focusing. There we go. I think it's focused enough. Probably not a perfect focus, but look at this. See, I know I'll never see this, but when you pay attention to these things, you see the quality of craftsmanship. Where's the focus? Come on. Why is it not in focus anymore? There we go. These sort of things are, the quality of the craftsmanship is very important to me. I have other carbon fiber pieces in my car, namely a center console, and the quality. Okay, again, accidentally hitting the button when I did not mean to. I was stating that the quality of the craftsmanship on the center console that I have from another company, it's crap. The weave is not straight in many areas, and the clear coat finish, like you see the beautiful clear coat finish on this, started popping and cracking and peeling in less than a week after it was delivered. So anyway, back to doing this. I want to flip it over because clearly that's one thing that everybody wants to see is a full ordeal. I'm just trying to get some nice shots of showing how good a quality of work this carbon fiber is. So, okay, let's flip her over. So, anyway. There we go. And again, flawless. I mean, just a quick scan. I mean, you can look at these little tiny areas and you can see that the weave just goes in the direction it's supposed to go. It's straight. Man, this looks amazing. They use a pre-preg carbon fiber to create this spoiler, and to my knowledge, that's the best kind of carbon fiber you can get in the market. It's used even on the higher end cars like Koenigsegg and Lamborghini and such. Let's see, brighten it up in there. But yeah. Let's see, that looks like something that is... I'll have to take a closer look at that. Gotta make sure it's perfect. Anyway, there you go. Just a couple pictures. Alright, the next time I'm doing another video here, it's going to pretty much be after it's installed. Oh yeah, very good. Alright everybody, see you later.